What shall we do when our outdoor hobbies confront the hot weather? It's the neck cooler. It's easy for wearing, light and comfortable, and in one-button start. Using TEC refrigeration technique matched with logical algorithms, neck cooler can cool the carotid blood vessels on both sides of neck in a reasonable and safe manner. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. When you turn on the neck cooler, the sensor timely captures the outdoor environmental temperature and accurately controls the refrigerating capacity of the mini refrigeration chip, reasonably cooling your skin through aluminum alloy, making you feel more comfortable. It's small and portable. We use titanium alloy memory metal and repeatedly optimize the technological structure of the product so that you almost can't feel any weight on your neck. Then you can enjoy your outdoor time as you like. We have successfully developed a refrigeration chip with ultra-low power consumption. Try to wear out our neck cooler and take a long ride. I'm sure you'll get a brand new riding experience. With the neck cooler, you don't have to worry about retrofitting your car in a hot summer anymore. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. The neck cooler also uses IPX7 waterproof design so that you can use it anywhere. And the product uses magnet charging. That is, you can charge it efficiently and conveniently by a touch. This is what the neck cooler likes. No matter you're jogging, hiking, cycling, motorcycle traveling, golf, or working in a high temperature, the temperature control system of neck cooler can reasonably cool you and make you feel more comfortable.
The AIRWIRL Personal Cooling and Heating System is the world's first self-contained, temperature relief device engineered in a convenient, handheld size. Innovation in personal temperature preservation reflects our drive to staying comfortable in extreme temperature conditions, inside or outdoors, wherever your adventure takes you. Whether out for a stroll with your baby or pet in tow, on the job or at the gym, theme park, or even at your favorite sporting event, only AIRWIRL provides the satisfying temperature relief you need at the push of a button. We provide go-anywhere comfort solutions brought to you by the latest advances in thermal engineering and ergonomic design. Unlike battery-operated fans, misters, or evaporative towels, AIRWIRL's patent-pending technology actually changes the ambient air temperature into refreshing cool air when it's hot, or cozy warm air when it is cold. All in an ultra-portable, easy-to-hold tumbler-sized device. The AIRWIRL motorized lid incorporates a novel turbine fan system with an elongated air post. The air post is designed to self-center within 2 cups of ice cubes, or up to 4 activated heat warmers to enable cool or warm air to flow through efficiently. The insulated foam insert helps keep hot or cold outside ambient temperature from entering while insulating and preventing the interior thermal energy from escaping. The ultra-quiet, motorized turbine fan lid screws on easy for an airtight seal. This lid is made of a high-impact acrylic with a soft-touch plastic surface. The lid incorporates a full-size hand grip, an easy-access battery chamber, and a low-profile airflow opening. For hands-free cooling or heating, AIRWIRL comes with a flexible air tube that extends from 8 inches to 28 inches. AIRWIRL runs all day and night just on 3 AA batteries. We give you the power to go green with AA battery choices by recommending disposable lithium batteries or rechargeable. Engineered safe for supervised children and pets, its compact but powerhouse size is small enough and durable enough to use every day. For that special event when you want to just stay comfortable, when it's extremely hot or chilly, on the job, at home, or play, let AIRWIRL help change your daily life experiences with its novel thermal convection technology.
Thank you for sharing in the magic behind AIRWIRL's novel cooling and heating system.
We have designed and engineered every component to perfection.
Now we need you to be the biggest part of the AIRWIRL team by helping us bring AIRWIRL to the global market.
By backing us, we will deliver the highest quality product to help keep your temperature relief up close and personal.
Cool has just been reimagined.
The 3-in-1 desktop personal air cooler that also keeps your drinks hot or cold. This is the first system of its kind. It works by transferring cool air through the included notched metal cup. Then, using a silent yet powerful centrifugal fan, it draws air through the metal cup and blows it out to the front to send you cool air. Totcooly is a smart device that includes cooling and heating for your drink. With a focus to set a different standard, the Totcooly is unlike any other beverage cooling and heating devices currently on the market. Requiring no pre-preparation at all, the cooling system is 7 times faster than a refrigerator in cooling your drink. Just plug into your wall socket and wait 60 seconds for the surface plate to cool down to -46 degrees Fahrenheit. This will make your drink cool down from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 minutes, or to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes. The heating system is 5 times faster than standard heating equipment to keep your drink around 131 degrees Fahrenheit, the best taste temp for coffee and a baby's bottle. The fan can blow the air more than 2 meters, and also comes with an air filter that can control 8 million ions for its purifier function. At Totcooly, we build technology to serve you. We are ready to begin production right away, so help us by making your pledge and to tell your friends and family about Totcooly.